Big up Crosses TV.
Wake up, pussycat. Wake up. Pussycat, wake up. Meow. Meow. Wake up, pussycat. Wake up.
I'll be across his job over your master.
Candy, you can do something for you like when you do for the game again. But that man name again. Derek.
Eh? Where's the mochi?
Yeah, the man like how help Derek.
No, sir, not Hugo.
Can you not send us something to your post, see me?
Yeah, but this one again.
Yeah, post nothing. Terrible. Well, yeah, me I post him, but me not beg nothing. That's him.
No, sir. I drew this.
You know, the Wi-Fi with me and
you
at the bar, it now work good. So we can't even get for audio.
Oh, God.
What a shame and
I
disgrace and
gonna
mercy.
send them.
No, Wi-Fi at the bar. This one can't buy Wi-Fi. I'm tired of Miss One because she don't give nothing, you know.
He number right there.
Please help.
I'm a name.
People he name too.
Now say
Right here, put your name
all
on
of the
him
people.
number for send money. Jesus.
Where was all of the people them who was helping him on live with talking all kind of shit with posts? Were them there?
Nada.
At them in figure ass.
Can you like that one, yeah?
Right, you make new post I can but every day, you know.
Kimari, you can get your brother for me, sweetie. Thank you.
you can send it to my WhatsApp. I'll send it to my Instagram. See that?
So embarrassing. If I'm my brother or family, I don't forgive him. This is like too much.
No, don't kill and get it.
He just keep coming and repeating himself for the money.
Hey, Neo.
That's a
Good evening.
embarrassment. And the worst man, Puss was the worst man, and the worst man used to give him things.
Did you have a good day at school?
Sis, walk one.
Period. Sister.
I can't ask if you not money because you said with too much money.
Bumbo! Live I tell it. I say 140, I know what you said.
That's 90 euro more, 60 euro. 60 euro.
Him say 90 euro for buy the phone, no, him say him have 60 and him want 90 more.
No, him say him have 90 more, 60 more.
First him say the phone at 120 euro. 120 euro and 120 US and 90 euro. The man a liar.
Hi, Italian.
The man saying by sister send him enough money already. When sister get money saying the man say 140. My God.
Wash your hands first.
Shameful.
The Wi-Fi.
Can you for my brother, my sister, my cousin, I hate them. Just too many one embarrassed for me would have give him.
Me too. We have just come on the beg and he's not saying nothing else but begging.
The Wi-Fi bad at the bar, sorry.
There's nothing more to the conversation. Then please, I need this, I need this, I need this.
Oh God, man.
Yeah, all I know we went over there with him and the giant in life to bring down post on a wicked.
Yeah.
The man I can't even give him $10.
And that happened to your blood clot, your pussy.
Every single one I know.
Pussy a rubbish for your finny amount. I go suck your mother, your blood clot, yo. Start suck wood. Just put a like how you have the mouth there, so. The man will wear Santa Claus at another Christmas and up your Santa jingle bell in the background. The blood clot, yo. You go down like
no, I beg.
Yeah, but the connection bad at the bar.
But you hear me, I tell you, Kenny say before Christmas, the man go come out, come beg.
Oh my God.
The blood. I first man, me see him have girl in all bungle and I beg so. And him all I beg money. Oh, babes, what you doing? Baby, I'm on the phone. I'm talking, babes. Sure. Come on, call me friend, but this is sweet. Me not lie.
You
This is so
know, you
sweet.
love that segment.
Me not ask you. My segment this. Me love this. Your blood clot. But you cock up foot the first day you gone to Serbia depon. And the sister them depon. Them in a hotel and we pay for it now, bitch. You don't pay for nothing, bitch.
No, they
The
when
man
they
live
say
in
at the court place.
the same phone when have. And me give him it. The phone when cost me pan last year, and me give him. Suck your mother. When soon see worse than that, I go take me pussy.
No, no.
I tell you, say, don't ramp with God, children. I tell you, say, go on about your business. Live in peace. Look woman in peace. Deal with woman in peace. Deal with man in peace. Leave me out of it. The man could have gone about his business because they already give me confirmation and say, find a woman and try marry. Tell me I'm bisexual and blah, blah, blah. But no, you have to. Because me say it down, you want to bring me down. See, there you bring on yourself. Who having the clown show? Your sister say, oh,
True word. True.
eh?
Bless
Be a
you.
big blood clot clown. Put your body on the highway. Put your body on the sewer top, boy. Scrub your foot, make you fuck out your hole. Fuck out your hood. Hey, blood clot. Man, no, real chat, it's disgraceful. As someone to you that's how it's disgraceful, man.
I can't stand her, you know.
Karen, you're a soldier. You're a soldier. Compare the man.
He's so rude. Oh my God. I can't tell her down, you know. I can't tell her down. I can't say no.
No, Karma is a bitch.
Yeah,
And
I
it's
can't
playing
tell her
right in front of
down.
her eyes right now.
Me
Oh, you
bad, me
still
go
up
on
over
bad for
cock
my
up.
auntie. Me not gonna lie, me go on bad for my auntie sometime. I tell her me no want hear nothing. Me no want chat about them. Me go on bad. Me go on terrible.
Yeah.
I can't tell her down. Can't tell her down, my love. Can't tell her.
There's nothing for them because I never trouble them.
I
And
know.
them trouble me.
I
They put
know.
out my man picture and it cause confusion. Even if I'm a man for 1 day, 1 month, 2 months, leave my picture. Not my business.
Go get a finger bowl. Where's your sister?
You coming
Huh?
to my room.
I can't
Go get
make
a
on the
bowl.
ear, but I
Go
can't
pass.
make on the stick. I may have to do something.
All right.
Ay, Puss can't tell her
20,
for done
20
people's.
euro more. 20. 20 pound and I'm not asking for nothing big. When I send money, I give what it crosses people.
Yeah.
When I need it. Right now, I need a new phone.
That's
Phone
not
I
a
mash up.
need. That's a want.